Oof. Wow. That's your favorite part. Oh boy.
Oh!
Your neck cracked. Oh God. That was easy. So what's your title again?
I am a production supervisor. I work in a lab.
Doing?
I work with bacteria.
Very
I infect host cells with bacteria.
That just sounds like a movie.
That's
But
pretty cool.
somebody has to do it. Sounds
Yes,
very
they do.
exciting, actually. Very interesting. Not exciting, but interesting when you find stuff. Go ahead and look up.
So this is what I think my 7th adjustment. I've seen a lot of improvement in my neck. I was cracking my neck myself multiple times a day, and I don't have that urge anymore. So I've felt a lot of relief. I've been using my neck wedge, and I've had less sinus issues, less issues with my ears feeling full.
That's through your ears too.
Oh, yes.
Continue.
So I've been seeing that so far.
Nice. Very good. Listen to you. Ooh.
Oh.
Oops.